Anthony, no? Saka Vivian. Anyway, greetings. We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Actually, kung nakamaksin naman kayo, pwede nyo tanggalin para maganda sa pictures. Tapos, sino magpipicture po? Dito. Para maganda. So, anyway, tayo na kayong dalawa. Maghanap na kayo. Yung sing-sing na ginagawa. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? May kukontra po ba sa wedding? Very good. Kung wala, let us continue. Vivian, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Kin Anthony, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, to the groom, Kin Anthony, will you have Vivian to be your wife, to live together in marriage?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you love her,
Yes, ma'am.
comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Vivian, will you have King Anthony to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, yung sing-sing na. Labas mo yung sing-sing. A circle is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, rings have no beginning and no end. They are tokens of a growing relationship that you have come here to celebrate and to confirm. Sige, mauna ka na, Kin Anthony. Kunin mo na yung sing-sing ni Vivian. And follow after me. Sasabihin ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
So, ito yung sing-sing. Ganun din, Vivian, follow after me. Sabi mo sasabihin ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Sige, suot mo na yung sing-sing. Okay, sige. Dito naman tayo ngayon. Harap kayo sa mga magulang nyo dito muna. Tayo, ito naman payo po natin sa ikakasal. Saka wish.
Wish mo daw tayo.
Payo nyo, saka wish. Po. Sabihin nyo sa kanila po.
Sana magkasama kayo ng mahalan. At bago kayo magkasunod kayo ng daan.
Tayo, may gusto po kayo sabihin? Ano pong payo nyo naman?
Sana mga anak, habang buhay kayong magmahalan, mahalan kayo bawat isa. Sana mag-unawaan kayo. Huwag kayong iaaway. Sana pagpatuloy niyo ang inyong magandang pagmamahalan.
Maraming salamat po. Dito na lang po tayo. Nangang naman. Ay, sige. Muna kayo.
Sana huwag kayong mag-aaway. Iwasan niyo yung away-away. Gunawan kayo lagi. Pahiralan niyo yung pagmamahalan para iwasan niyo yung mag-aaway. Panatilihin niyo yung magandang pagtitinginan sa isa't isa.
Salamat po.
Sana magsama kayo sa hirap at ginawa.
Thank you. Doon naman sa Ninong Nina, harap na tayo doon. Ano naman pong payo at saka wish po natin sa ikakasal?
Sana panatilihin yung wapo maganda kayong dalawa. Walang makialam sa pagsasamahan yung bilang mag-asawa. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Sa proxy po ni Press Terry, aming panalangin sa inyo is put God in the center of your relationship para maging maayos po ang inyong pagsasama and more blessings. Sana yung pagmamahalan ninyo ay hindi ano tawag dito, maglack.
Ang ginayat kayo nga palagi. Ang pinpin na sensya. Congratulations, Vivian and Tonto.
Sabi naman na nilang lahat, basta magsama na lang kayo hanggang mahalan kayo forever.
May gusto ko mga card? Dagdag? Wala, kasi hanap na kayong dalawa. Hawakan mo yung kamay niya. Yung Anthony, eh. Oh, Vivian, ano naman vows mo sa iyong mapapangasawa kay Anthony? Promise mo sa kanya as a wife. May sinulat ba kayo?
Meron po.
O, basahin nyo na lang. Mas maganda pa.
B, I love you. Today, it is my honor to become your wife. Thank you for giving me the two greatest gift of my life, your love and our children. I promise to continue building our family together and strengthening our family's future. I vow to love you, cherish you, take care of you for all the days of my life.
Thank you. Okay, na ano rin, gusto mo sabihin mo sa mapapangasawa mo. Promise mo sa kanya. Vows.
May napakaswerte ko na maging partner mo at ngayon magiging asawa mo. Nariyan ka for almost 1/3 ng buhay ko. You always manage to help me through bad times. May mga times man na gusto mo nang sumuko pero hindi ko ma-imagine ang buhay na wala ka. Ngayon gusto kong mag-promise na manatiling faithful sa iyo, mamahalin at irerespeto kita, pati na ang mga ideya at desisyon mo. Susubukan ko din na i-like lahat ng post mo sa Facebook.
Tissue. Ay, ganda na. Sige, hawakan mo na yung kamay niya, Karen. Tissue mo na natin. Anyway. Okay na ba? Sige, hawakan mo yung kamay niya kay Anthony and Vivian. Mauna ka sa akin, mauna ka kay Anthony. I hereby take you, Vivian,
Here I take you, Vivian,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love,
and to cherish,
to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Good. So, Vivian, follow after me, okay? I hereby take you, Kim Anthony,
I hereby take you, King Anthony,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay? Wag mo na. By the virtues of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witnesses, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted, and now pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. Siyempre, ano yung picture natin? Ayun. You may now kiss the bride. Yes. Nako. Isang ba't Sige yung mga ninong-ninang po, mag-witness po, napipirma po sila dito sa harapan. Nag-witness ka ako, pirma dito sa ako. Ninong-ninang. Nandiyan na rin yun.
Meron na.
Ay, witness niyo. Nakalimutan. Oo.
Sili po na ko. Sili po na. Hindi po na ako.
Sir, sa likod pa.
Ay.
Article 34 po sila.
Ano katagal lang yan kasama? So may mabibis na kayo?
Opo.
Ilan lang?
Dalawa po. Asa yung pangalan ko? 9 years old na po yung pangalan.
That's good. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. Oh. Picture taking na ako. Sama niyo yung babies.
Sa yung tayo na nag-picture para yung baguhan. Dito na ako.
Next.
Ma, nakasama ko pa rin. Ay,
Oh, with the friends?
With friends